Yeah, so I'm tie-dyeing some stuff today, and this is what I decided to do. Yep. Hi, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your sweatshirt or shirt or whatever you wanna do, and you're gonna scrunch it up. Because this is all I know how to do. I tried doing other ones and I did really, really bad. But I just scrunch it up, right? And look at me being a dork trying to put it on one little spot. That didn't work. Not at all. You got to take the whole thing and scrunch it together, you know? And you're going to use like a lot less rubber bands than you expect. I mean, I did. You could end up using a shit ton more, but I use like just I think I only use like 6 or 5 for it. It just depends on what you want. And yeah, I don't do any real design because I don't like that. So I just scrunched it all up and bam, was done. And this is taking so long. Yeah, so I decided to tie-dye a bunch of stuff because it was a big craze and all I wanted to do was feel like I was in fashion right now. Oh, now I'm dyeing things. Yeah. Don't forget to put your gloves on because I forgot to put my gloves on while making the dye colors and ended up like staining my hands. So this one, yes, I decided, oh yeah, you're gonna want to soak everything so it soaks through. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying. This shirt actually, surprisingly, turned out really, really well for something that I was really scared was going to be like a shit show. But no, it like turned out perfectly great. I loved this shirt, but it took a lot of orange, and I'm not an orange person. But when you're doing Dragon Ball Z, it's got to be orange. So this shirt, oh my god. I like Sailor Moon, but in the reveal, it's not going to be the same color. I poured so much bleach on it and then put yellow on it, and I didn't film any of that because it was a shit show. Okay, these pants were from Fabletics, and oh my god, I'm so pissed about them. That was me washing my hands for like, I didn't go to a restaurant. I don't remember where I went, but I like washed my hands, and I don't use like the dryers in there because there's so much bacteria, but I washed my hands and dried my hands off on the back of my pants, and it ended up like stripping the color from them, so I had to do something about them. But yeah, Fabletics coloring, shit. They have the worst color keeper in their fabrics. It's trash. It's trash. They're not worth the price. I would recommend going and getting something from like Nike or whatever. So this was my attempt with bleach to try to like strip most of the color. And I also wanted to do like a black on it. I thought it would be like a cool design to have it like this yellow, pink, and black. Oh my gosh. In theory, all this stuff was amazing. Like, this looked cool, and it is kind of cool, but I wanted like patches of black in there. Yeah, I'm gonna warn you, if you're gonna get black, go ahead and buy the real black dye shit. Like, the stuff that you get out of fabric store. Just get that shit. Don't be trying to do it in these kits. It's garbage. Yeah, so we're going and we're scrunching it up again because, like I said, I wanted to dye it. And in this scrunch, I'm doing like an actual pattern style. It's not a real pattern. It didn't even turn out well, so I don't know why I did it. But yeah, so that was like my whole goal, was to like create this cool look, but it didn't take. So it is what it is. Yeah, it's a real bright yellow. It's like, I don't know why I assumed it would be white when I know fabric is not white when they dye it, to like, because you got to get the yellow to dye it certain colors, and the yellow stays in fabric better than like anything. I'm so tired now. this is a lot longer than I anticipated. The beginning went super fast, but this one is taking forever. So I feel like I'm running out of things to talk about. Look, it's a little heart. Aw, look at the little heart. Oh, it's so cute and adorable for Valentine's Day. Yeah, look at me. I noticed it looked like a heart. Now it looks like a penis. Oh shit. Now it looks like a limp little dick right there. Now it's not a dick anymore. Whew, thank God. Now it looks just like it looks a little bit like a dragon. I just realized that. There we go. And it like popped out while I was in there too. I had to fix it. I didn't record that. Yeah, look at that. That is the color I expected it would stain. It was this cool deep black, and it didn't. It's very sad. You'll see it in the end. But yeah, spend the money on nice black dye. If you're gonna dye anything black, definitely spend the money for good dye. Yeah, this to me was just so fucking peaceful looking, and I had to show you. Also, my tub is stained. I have no other choice but have a goddamn stained tub. It is a shit show. Well, my tub is stained, and so is some of my clothes. That's why I'm wearing, like, not pretty clothes. So you guys, bye. No. We'll come back to it in a couple of hours. So I was having a lot of self-hate, and so, when I should be editing the video for the tie-dye, and I decided to start tie-dyeing more shit. So that's not going to be included in this one. It'll just be a random upload or a random part of something else. But yeah, so let me show you what I did. Jesus help us all. Yep, so this is like the random one I decided to do because I was like self-hating myself, and fuck it, this sweatshirt's already fucked up. I have so many paint stains, like you can see. I have like paint stains from when I like paint the walls, so I was like, well, let's just add some fucking tie-dye to it. The one interesting thing that I found that I started to kind of like is this weird watercolor effect that my sink is getting. It's kind of interesting, and I don't know, I see it kind of like a painting where there's just random things when you look at it you can kind of see, like the clouds, it's just kind of peaceful, super weird. And you can see I decided to go with, the generic boy girl colors on this one. Well, it's because I had a ton of this leftover fucking blue, and I was like, well, I gotta do something with it, and I don't want just a pure blue one, so I wanted to try this fuchsia on it, because you know what, fuchsia's kind of cool, and I don't give it enough credit. You can see my still stained tub from the last time. And then this one I put bleach on, but it's not having any effects whatsoever. So we'll see if, it changes colors at all, if any. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, can't wait for this experiment to be over. Dun dun dun! Here's the reveal. See, there was no black. No black on these pants. I gotta figure out what to do. I don't know, because I don't like them. I love this shirt. It's super cute. Look at my dorkiness. Yeah. Get it, girl. Get it. Yeah. Enjoy your time. Having some fun. Do. Yeah. I don't know why, but this just made me super happy, even though it didn't turn out well. It's just the fact that it's a Sailor Moon, and I noticed my nipples were showing, and I felt like a complete shit show at that point. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe down below. Bye!